Hi, this is Tim of the 1916 Company. Welcome and thanks for logging on. If you love this watch, email me, Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase pricing and availability questions concerning this watch. Today we discuss one of the most unusual members of the modern Rolex Oyster Perpetual GMT-Master 2 collection. This is a 2022 launch nicknamed the Lefty, and that by Rolex itself. It is the 126720VTNR with a combination of a green and black bezel, which was a world premiere on this model, and the left-handed crown. The watch is a remarkably distinctive member of this long-running series. So in 904L steel, 40 millimeters in diameter, you can see it's 12.1 millimeters thick, 48 millimeters lug-to-lug. And then if we include the solid end links to the bracelet, it is going to be 50.9 millimeters from link to link across the wrist with a 20 millimeter spacing in between the lugs. We will briefly remove my gloves so you can see the watch on my wrist, and I'll demonstrate the fit. The watch is suitable for a wrist, in my estimation, as small as 14 centimeters circumference. You can see from over the top, which exaggerates the width of the watch, the lugs are still not out to the edge of my fairly small wrist. And down the barrel, perhaps the best angle for gauging how much clearance I've got. I've got quite a bit. And it's thinner than you would think. Thinner than you would think, and the crown actually helps a sleeve ramp up over the side a little bit better than the standard model, so you can wear it formally with no problem. Throw my glove back on now. The watch, of course, is made of 904L steel, which Rolex now calls oyster steel. Oyster steel is a type of steel that is high in nickel, and as a result, you can expose it to salt, seawater, sweat, perspiration, and it will not corrode. Now, 316L stainless steel can actually corrode if it's exposed to those elements without being rinsed, so this is a more resilient metal alloy. Of course, also worth mentioning is that the watch includes a oyster case. So the case is 100 meters water resistant. You can see the solid case back. We've got a trip lock crown in steel. You know that because it's 3 dots and they're all symmetrical. It is a screw down here. We have a integration of the bracelet via a conforming end length. The oyster style bracelet tapers down towards the clasp. You can see varying surfaces of polish and satin with removable links fixed in place using screws. And we'll move over to the opposite side. You can see there's a few more removable links. We have a double locking system. Here's a spring-loaded lift lock with a beak, and then there's a hook in there. And then there's also a clamshell that closes on top of that. Inside the clasp, we have the snap-in, snap-out, easy-link tool-free adjustment system. It's good for 5 millimeters in, 5 millimeters out. And then if you wish to make further adjustments, you can see that there are 3 pairs of divots inside the clasp that allow you to use your strap tool to dismount the spring bar and change the anchoring point. Rolling around to the case, you can see this is the so-called super case. It's been with us now for quite some time, really since the 2005 GMTs. Squared off lugs, sheer case profile, polished on the side, satin on the top. Notice that the bezel, its top facet is polished, its lower facet is satin, and then it has a brushed finishing inside the recesses. Bidirectional rotating, the Cerachrom ceramic insert is highly scratch resistant, and then these deposits for the numerals and the indices, that is a PVD deposit of platinum, so it won't discolor with time. Black polished lacquer dial, white gold hands and indices, again, will not tarnish or oxidize with time. Green GMT hand, and we have this Lefty style crown. You might be wondering a little bit how that alters the operation of the watch. Well, if you wish to wind it, you wind it like this. And if you wish to set it, it sets by turning counterclockwise, just like this. And then if you wish, you can see there's that 24-hour scale here. You can put it in the intermediate setting mode, and you can move your local hour hand, which drives the date forward and backwards, depending on which way you're traveling across the international date line. We'll do a lume shot, so you can see Rolex's distinctive chroma-light blue lume, and note all 4 hands are luminescent. This is how demonstrate real quick how the bezel works. So you set your 24-hour hand to Greenwich Mean Time. You can use other time zones, but this is the most obvious. So let's say, okay, now it's set to Greenwich Mean Time. Now let's say you are going to travel to an airport that is GMT, and it's going to be GMT -2. So you do 1, 2. It's going to be 2200 at your destination airport. Now let's say you go into a place that's GMT +4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the destination at your that's the destination time at your destination airport. Inside the case, bidirectional automatic winding Rolex caliber 3285, 4 Hz beat rate, 31 joules. It is a 70-hour power reserve. The rotor is on a ball bearing, which makes it very durable, more so compared to the old 3185, 3186. It's a little bit tougher. Still full balance bridge and a free-sprung balance for shock resistance. It has a Breguet overcoil hairspring for isochronous operation in any physical orientation on your wrist or your dress or at night. That hairspring made of a blue oxidized niobium zirconium alloy. Rolex calls Cerachrom bleu, highly anti-magnetic. And the watch features Rolex's Paraflex proprietary shock protection. In fact, Rolex making every external and internal part of this watch, right down to shock protection springs and even the lubricants that are used. So it is a very sophisticated watch on many levels. And it also uses nickel phosphorus components to achieve additional anti-magnetic qualities, particularly in the escapement. If you love this watch, you'll love it more knowing that it is a superlative chronometer. So Rolex tests the movement via COSC, then cases it up, and as a fully cased up watch, times it in 6 positions to run no worse than -2 + 2 seconds per 24 hours, hence the superlative chronometer script on the dial. It does actually mean something substantive. So if you love this watch, reach out. Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase and pricing details. Rolex certified pre-owned watches are backed and authenticated by Rolex. Should any reconditioning be necessary, it will be to a Rolex certified standard, and any parts invested Rolex factory original. Should the initial retail box, paper, and accessory set still accompany the watch, it will be included with the sale. But no matter what, a certified pre-owned box and paper set starts with an outer box, a leatherette travel pouch with suede lining, a warranty card that embodies the 2-year globally valid Rolex-backed warranty. Note this is not a retail warranty, but backed by Rolex and actionable at any of its authorized points of sales and service. A leatherette wallet includes the warranty terms and conditions manual. A holographic hang tag marks this as a certified pre-owned Rolex watch, and a manual details Rolex's values as a company, the certified pre-owned program, care, feeding, service, and use of your Rolex, locations of points of sales and service, and details of Rolex.com. Rolex certified pre-owned watches are backed only by Rolex.